Are you interested in having your music video featured on VEVO? Or do you aspire to establish an official VEVO artist channel? Even if you are independent record label or unsung musician, at Showbiz Music Academy, we are dedicated to sharing our love for music and helping you unleash your musical potential. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced musician, our channel is packed with valuable content to inspire, educate, and entertain. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated every week. Welcome to the 7th episode of Showbiz Music Academy's Musician Do It Yourself series. In this episode, we are excited to provide valuable insight into VEVO music, emphasizing the benefit of having your music video on this platform. Furthermore, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of getting your music video listed on VEVO. So let's not delay any further and embark on this journey together, exploring the world of establishing your official VEVO channel and showcasing your music video in this renowned platform. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to Sankofa Plus Studio for their invaluable support in creating this video. Their generous contribution has made us to deliver high-quality content to our viewers. If you are in search of music lyrics video, captivating music visualizers, engaging music animation, event design, music cover art, or a professional brand logo, Sankofa Plus Studio is your ultimate destination. They excel in fulfilling all your creative needs with their exceptional service. Contact them today. You can find their contact details on the screen. So now, someone will ask, what is VEVO? VEVO stands for Video Evolution. It's a multinational video hosting platform specialized in music videos. It was initially created in 2009 as a joint venture between record labels including Universal Music Group, Sony Music Entertainment, and Winner Music Group, with the goal of providing an official platform for music video distribution. VEVO's platform focuses on delivering high-quality music video content to a global audience. The platform operates through its website, that's vevo.com, as well as its mobile apps and syndicated partnership with various streaming platforms and websites. VEVO hosts a vast library of music videos from a wide range of artists across different genres. It offers a user-friendly interface and created playlists and personalized recommendations to enhance the viewing experience for your music. VEVO has gained significant popularity and has become one of the leading destinations for music video consumption. It has a strong presence on YouTube, where many of its videos are also available. Where VEVO originally had its standalone video player, it has since shifted its strategy to focus on expanding its reach through partnership and integration with other platforms. In addition to providing a platform for music video distribution, VEVO also offers monetization opportunities for artists and rights holders through advertising revenue. Artists and record labels can generate income based on video views and engagement on their platform. Overall, VEVO serves as a centralized hub for music videos, offering artists a dedicated channel to promote their work, reach a broader audience, and monetize their video content. If you require support in setting up official VEVO channel and listing your music video on the platform, or your songs are not yet available on the digital streaming and downloading platform and you wish to distribute them today using platforms like GitHub Music, TuneCore, DistroKid, and others, Showbiz Music Academy is available to assist you. We provide services to get your songs distributed to over 150 stores. For more information about our distribution service, please contact us using the displayed contact details. We are excited to contribute to the advancement of your music career. Importance of uploading your music video on VEVO. Uploading your music video to VEVO offers several benefits for artists. Here are some of the reasons why you might consider uploading your music video to VEVO. 1. Increased visibility and credibility. VEVO is a well-established and recognized platform specifically dedicated to music videos. It has a vast audience and a strong brand presence. Having your music video on VEVO can help you reach a wider audience and gain exposure and enhance your credibility as an artist. 2. Access to a large audience. VEVO has a substantial user base including music lovers, fans, and industry professionals. By uploading your video to VEVO, you have the opportunity to showcase your work to millions of potential viewers, which can help you increase your fan base and attract more listeners. 3. Monetization opportunity. VEVO provides artists with potential monetization revenue for their music videos. Through advertising and partnership, VEVO generates revenue from video views and share a portion of that revenue with artists and rights holders. Fourth, VEVO channel features. When your music videos are on VEVO, you gain access to various channel features and customization options. You can organize your videos into playlists, create artist page, and utilize branding elements to enhance your visual presence on the platform. Fifth, promotional and marketing support. VEVO often collaborates with record label, music distributors, and other industry partners to promote music videos and artists. If you have a strong presence on VEVO, it may open doors for potential promotional opportunities such as being featured in VEVO creator playlists, premieres, or exclusive content releases. Sixth, analytics and insights. VEVO provides artists with access to analytics and insights about their videos, including views, engagement metrics, and audience demographics. This data can be valuable for understanding your audience, making informed decisions, and refining your marketing strategies. It's worth noting that VEVO primarily works with established artists, record labels, distribution partners. However, an independent artist, you can still work with distribution partners to get your music video on VEVO and enjoy the benefits mentioned above. How to get your music video on VEVO platform. To get your music video on VEVO, you typically need to follow a few steps and meet certain criteria. Here is the general outline of the process. 1. Create a high-quality music video. Produce a professional-grade music video that meets the industry standard in terms of production value, visuals, and audio quality. VEVO generally expects high-quality content from artists. 2. Sign a record label or distribution deal. VEVO primarily works with established record labels, music distributors, and major artists. Signing a record label or distribution deal increases your chances of getting your video in VEVO. These entities often have a partnership with VEVO and can submit your music video on your behalf. Third, choose a distribution partner. If you are an independent artist or a label that doesn't have a direct VEVO partnership, you will need to work with a music video distribution partner. These partners specialize in distributing music videos to platforms like VEVO. Examples of such distribution partners include VEVO, DistroKid, Ditto Music, and TuneCore. Research and select a reliable distribution partner that offers VEVO distribution services. Fourth, prepare the necessary materials. Before submitting your video, you will need to gather certain materials including high-resolution artwork, artist biography, and any relevant metadata such as song title, genre, releasing date, etc. Your distribution partner will guide you through this process and provide you with specific requirements. Fifth, submit your video through the distribution partner. Once you have prepared all the required material, follow your distribution partner's instructions to submit your music video to VEVO. They will handle the submission process on your behalf and communicate with VEVO to ensure your video is uploaded to the platform. Fifth, wait for VEVO approval. VEVO's team will review your submission to determine if it meets their quality and content guidelines. This process can take some time, so be patient. If your video meets the criteria, it will be approved for release on VEVO. If there are any issues, concerns, VEVO may provide feedback for you to the address before resubmission. 7th, promote your video. Once your music video is live on VEVO, it is essential to promote it to maximizing its reach. Share the video on your social media channels, website, and other online platforms. Engage with your fans and encourage them to watch, like, and share the video. The more engagement your video receives, the more likely it is to gain visibility on VEVO. Remember that the VEVO's policy and processes may change over time, so it is advisable to consult their official website or reach out to your chosen distribution partner for the most up-to-date information on how to get your music video on the platform. Have you uploaded a music video to VEVO? What tips would you give artists uploading for the first time? Let us know in the comments below. We express our gratitude for joining us in this episode of Showbiz Music Academy. We have shared insightful information on the process of getting your music video on VEVO and establishing your VEVO music channel. Keep an eye out for our upcoming episode, where we dive into different facets of music and creativity. By subscribing to our channel, you'll remain connected with and becoming part of our vibrant community. Your support is highly appreciated, and we encourage you to be a significant impact in the realm of music. For now, farewell, and until we meet again, goodbye.